All right, what fraction of the shapes in the box are the heart shape? Okay, now when you want to do fraction, you must know there is such thing as the numerator over the denominator. The numerator is on top, denominator is below. The denominator tells us the total. In this case, total shapes. The numerator tells us what the question wants. The question wants the heart. So this one is the heart. I put like that. Okay. So let's find out what is the total number of shapes then. How many shapes do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10. So you write down 10 like that. Now, how many hearts do we have then? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 hearts. We have 4 hearts. Now, remember that we need to simplify fractions whenever we can. So 4 out of 10 can be divided by the same factor, the same number, divide by 2, divide by 2, equals to 4 divided by 2 is 2, over 10 divided by 2 is 5. So my answer is 2 over 5. Answer is number 2. All right. Next, number 2. Later can copy. Wait, I go through first. What is the sum of 2/3 and 3/4? Sum means add. So 2 over 3 plus 3 over 4. What do we do first? The first step is common denominator. Let's look at the denominator. Are they the same? 3 and 4, not the same. Can we make it the same? Can. 3 times 4, 4 times 3. This is my shortcut. Okay, when you look at the numbers and you can't think of any numbers to make it the same, then you times each other. Okay, all right, this is one of the shortcut. So you times 4 here times 3. Whatever you do to denominator, numerator will do the same. Whatever you do to denominator, numerator will do the same. Equals to 8 over 12. This is renaming it, plus 9 over 12. Equals to over 12 remains the same. Denominator will always remain the same. What you're going to add is the numerator. 8 plus 7, 8 plus 9 is 17. Now, this is what we call an improper fraction. Yes? So, if you look at the the answers there, there's no improper fraction. We have to change the improper fraction to mixed number. Equals to divide, right? To change, you must always think of divide. Okay? So, 17 divided by 12. 12, 1 whole, then balance 5. So, 5 over 12. 1 whole, 5 over 12. Right? So, my answer is number 3. All right, next one. How many quarters are there in 5 3/4? Quarters means 1 over 4. How many are there in this number? The trick to do this question is to change the mixed number to become an improper fraction first. That's the trick. Remember the C? C, go up, right? This is times and this is plus. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23 over 4. Okay, so you know that 4 is also known as quarters, right? Quarters. So how many quarters are there? Just look at the numerator. What's the number there? 23. So the answer is number 4. 23 is your answer, is the quarters. How many quarters are there? There are 23 quarters. Okay, question 4A. Converting the following improper fractions to mixed number means you'd have to divide. Okay, so for A, 22 over 7 means you're going to take 22 divided by 7. You may want to write it down here like that, also can. Or you can just put it at the side like this, like 22 over 7, divided by 7. All right, so you think of times table 7. Is there 22? No 22. Nearest is 21. That will be 3 times 7. All right, minus 1. This is our numerator. So I have 3 whole. 1 is our numerator over 7 is our denominator. Answer is 3 whole 1 over 7. Okay, for part B, 40 over 9 is equals to 40 divided by 9 equals to, so you can do your 40 divided by 9. Is there a 40 in times table 9? No. Nearest is 36 and that's 4 whole. Minus and I get 4. So it is 4 whole. This is a remainder which is my numerator. 4 over denominator remains as 9. So my answer is 4 whole 4 over 9. Okay, so to convert the mixed number to improper fraction, remember the C and then you need to do this. Remember this, okay? So for A is 2 whole 5 over 8. So we need to change it to improper, right? We do the C. 8 times 2, then plus 5. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. Over. Denominator remains the same. Answer is 21 over 8. B, 3, 4 over 5. Okay, do the C going upwards. 5 times 3 plus 4 equals to 15. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 4 is 19 over, this one remains the same, 19 over 5. Answer.